Alright, this is just going to be a quick video where I talk about some updates and some changes to the Stockpile app. You may have seen this video that I posted recently about how teenagers can invest or how to help your young people invest. And I talked all about using the Stockpile app, which is an investing app that's specifically designed to help families and parents and grandparents be able to help young people learn to invest using custodial accounts. Well, just a few days ago, I got this email and I'm going to kind of go over the highlights with you. And it's an email from Stockpile and they're announcing some changes. And so they talk about that they're doing a couple different things. One is they're adding crypto investing to the app, which is fantastic. And so apparently you'll be able to do that 24 hours instead of in the stock investing portion of the app. It uses a trading window where you place an order and it trades near the end of the market day automatically. It's not live. Well, apparently the crypto investing will be 24 hours a day. They also talk about that they're going to do a refresh or redesign on their mobile app, which is great. But then they also announce, and this is a pretty big change, that they're going to a membership model that will actually cost money. So if you don't already have a Stockpile account, it is announcing that it's going to be a $4.95 per month subscription model for a membership. But if you already have an account with Stockpile, they're offering a one-time opt-in to a lifetime flat rate fee of $19.95. And so I will be claiming that offer. You can see that they have an option here in the email itself that says that I have to claim that offer by June 30th of this year to be able to lock that in. And so for myself, the choice is easy. My kids and I have been using this account since 2019. I feel like I've already easily surpassed that in value. So I'll be happy to pay, the roughly $20 to lock in a lifetime membership with Stockpile. And so I was really just making this video to share the news with you, not only the changes but also the fees. I think it would be very simple to lose this email to spam and just kind of not even notice it and then miss the window. And so if you have an account with Stockpile, I would recommend to go ahead and pay the flat rate fee instead of $5 a month. But also, I don't know what they would do. The email really doesn't tell you, but I would be tempted if it were me, if I had been thinking about creating an account and I hadn't made it yet, I would consider going in if you're in this time window over the next few days. Right now it's June 20th when I'm recording this. If over the next week and a half, I would go ahead and log in and create an account, a free account. I might not fund it yet, but then reach out to their support email, which is support@stockpile.com, and just ask them, hey, since I had already been planning on creating an account, but I just hadn't created it yet, would you offer me or would you agree to let me pay the one-time lifetime membership flat rate fee? And just see, all they could do is say no. But if you've been on the fence, if you've thought about it and you just hadn't quite pulled the trigger on that yet, I would go for it and maybe you get the deal. All right, that's it for this video. If you didn't see my previous video, I will put it right here so you can watch that next and you can hear me talk all about the Stockpile app and how to get investing if you're a young person. Until next time, have a great day.